Huh? This is a Manglillo tree that Miguel planted about 23, 25 years ago. That's a very, very hard tropical wood. This is the entire Manglillo tree cut and milled into pieces. 23 years of growth, milled from personal experience, trying to find any wood like this in Costa Rica. The best you might be able to find pieces like this would be of pine, and each piece would cost about 25 mil, which is close to $50. So having this grown on the property is like having gold. Next we've got 4 pieces of Laurel, which is another nice tropical hardwood that they're gonna mill and use for something else. That's some of the best wood you can find to build with in the world.